G'day guys, Richard Hazek here. We have just concluded the inaugural European PRS Championships held at the picturesque shooting farm at the Kisberghanta. The match went real well. The event included almost 90 shooters hailing from 11 countries. We've shot 12 stages in distance from 300 meters all the way to about 750 meters. One day we had a wonderful summer weather. The following day, rain, 15 degrees lower, windy conditions. So shooters were really challenged. Based on the feedback, I think everybody had a very enjoyable time.
Závod byl skvělý, zastřelili jsme si na vzdálenosti, na který normálně nemáme možnost střílet. Stage byly postaveny skvěle, rozhodčí byli perfektní. Myslím, že to bylo super.
I like match very well because it was very well prepared and stages were quite challenging. Also the wind conditions make it more tougher, so it was very nice experience for me.
Závody byly skvěle postavený. Myslím si, že kluci si s tím dali opravdu velký kus práce, těžké překážky, hlavně ten vítr, si myslím, že to bylo opravdu taková jako loterie. Myslím, že gongy byly dost náročný, ale střílet se to dá, je to vidět samozřejmě na výsledku. Mně se to moc líbilo.
The match was very fine. It was a pleasure to be here for this final of the European Championship. Also for all my shooters, the best thing was the behavior of all the shooter and of the range officer, a sporty behavior.
Hi, this is Thomas from PRS Slovakia team. We just finished our amazing competition in difficult weather conditions. We have been organizing this match for quite a lot of weeks, using more than 20 people who helped us organize and build up this competition. I believe we will manage to do another competition also next time. I'm looking forward to meet it.
Some sequence of the stages was very difficult because we have to remember some sequence of the target. The position, if you had to shoot to one target, the height of the bipod was not good for the other one. So we had to mediate, we have to do something. Also the weather condition was terrible because the wind was very challenging and also the target was very small. 20 for 25 centimeters, 740 meters is a very, very small target.
Tak skvělý byly stage, kde jsme měli možnost měnit různé vzdálenosti, tam si člověk zlepšuje skills. A náročný byly stage samozřejmě, kde byly velké vzdálenosti, večer, kdy bylo sluníčko proti nám, nebyly vidět pořádně dopady střel a velmi špatně se potom kolem toho dělala korekce, takže ten závod byl rozložený do jednodušších a i velmi složitých stagí.
I don't think so there were any easy one. All the stages check some skills, but I think the stages where you need to hit the farthest targets over 700 meters were quite challenging due to the conditions.
Samozřejmě ty dálky, člověk s tím nemá zkušenost. Samozřejmě v Čechách nemáme moc střelnice, nebo kde bychom si to mohli natrénovat a vyzkoušet, takže člověk se to učí na závodech. Tahle střelnice je specifická, ten vítr tady přes ty různý údolí a tak dál, je to těžký. Jsou to náročné podmínky, se kterými ten střelec si musí projít, aby si udělal nějakou zkušenost.
This match, both in terms of being a spectator as well as a collaborator of the match, was a great opportunity to get feedback on our system, the Ultimate Ballistic Live Scoring System. Tons of talented shooters, and tons of really important feedback that we've received from them that was appreciated. Great organization as well for the match. I'd say overall, the collaboration, multiple countries, it's everything that's great about precision rifle and the long-range shooting community. I'd say it's a great mix of everything that makes it great.
Organizace byla skvělá, místo bylo skvělé, informace jsme dostali všechny dopředu, bylo to úžasné.
Yeah, it was very great. The people were very friendly. Referees and the people that help make this match were really nice persons. So I'm happy I be here.
The European PRS Championships that we've just concluded finished the 2023 competition calendar, and we will actually launch the 2024 calendar. It includes a number of matches throughout the regions of Europe. An event like this would not be possible without the participation of a number of series partners. Our general partner, Zero Compromise, the official scoring partner, Ultimate Ballistics, and all the other series partners. From the bottom of our hearts, a very genuine thank you for the support of the series and especially the community, and for the support of the development of this beautiful sport of ours. Thank you again.
Hi guys, I'm Tak. Let me thank you all who support us on the European PRS Championships. Great thanks to shooters. They did amazing job the last 2 days on the first European PRS Championships. Many thanks really to all. Thank you very much, and hopefully that you join us in a 2024 European PRS series. The matches are already on our website. Thank you very much. And our community looks like that is growing. Many thanks. See you next time.